Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to buy Bitcoin on Zengo wallet. Zengo is a secure and user-friendly digital wallet that allows you to buy, store, and manage your cryptocurrencies. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of buying Bitcoin on Zengo wallet. First, you need to download and install the Zengo wallet app on your mobile device. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Once you have installed the app, open it and create a new account by providing your email address and creating a strong password. After creating your account, you will be asked to set up a PIN code and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This is an important step to protect your account from unauthorized access. Next, you need to verify your identity by providing some personal information such as your name, address, and date of birth. This is a standard procedure to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. You will also need to upload a valid government-issued ID and a proof of address document. Once your account is verified, you can navigate to the Buy Bitcoin section of the app. Here, you can enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy and select your payment method. Zengo Wallet supports various payment methods including credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. After selecting your payment method, you will be prompted to enter your payment details. Make sure to review the transaction details carefully before confirming the purchase. The Bitcoin will be credited to your Zengo wallet instantly after the payment is processed. It is essential to note that buying Bitcoin on Zengo wallet involves fees, including a transaction fee and a commission fee. The fees are clearly displayed on the app, and you should factor them into your purchase decision. In conclusion, buying Bitcoin on Zengo wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps, you can securely and easily buy Bitcoin and start building your cryptocurrency portfolio. Remember to always prioritize security and use best practices to protect your account and your assets.